Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're planning to cancel your Xfinity Internet service using the app, you might expect a simple cancel button, but the process isn't always that direct. Many users open the app and struggle to find the exact option because cancellation is usually handled through account support rather than a one-tap setting. This can make the process feel confusing or incomplete if you don't follow the correct steps. The point is to navigate to the right section where you can submit your cancellation request properly so it gets processed without delays. Once you know where to go and what to do, the entire process becomes much easier to handle. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to cancel your Xfinity Internet service using the app smoothly. Try these. Step 1. Open the Xfinity app on your phone and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile or account section inside the app. Step 3. Go to the Manage Services or similar option. Step 4. Select the option to contact support or request service cancellation. Step 5. Submit your cancellation request through chat or support options. Step 6. Confirm the cancellation request and check for confirmation details.